Hello friends, once again welcome back to my channel Daily GK Updates. I am back with some more interesting facts and some static general knowledge for you. Let's get started. So, the very first headline of today's newspaper is Rakesh Asthana appointed as BSF Director General. The Union government on Monday appointed IPS officer Rakesh Asthana as the Director General of the Border Security Force (BSF). He will also continue the post of Director General in Narcotics Control Bureau (NCB). Before this, he was Special Director of Central Bureau of Investigation, that is CBI. Guys, we heard about the terms such as BSF, NCB, CBI. Let's talk about all these departments. So first is BSF, Border Security Forces. It is a border guarding force of India which is established on 1st of December 1965. It is a paramilitary force charged with guarding India's land border during peacetime and preventing transnational crime. It is a union government agency under the administrative control of Ministry of Home Affairs. It currently stands as the world's largest border guarding forces. The next is NCB, that stands for Narcotics Control Bureau. This is the nodal drug law enforcement agency of India responsible for fighting drug trafficking and the abuse of illegal substances. This agency was formed in 17th of March 1986. Coming to the next, CBI, that is Central Bureau of Investigation. It is an agency of India founded in the year 1963, which is headed by director, and currently Shri Rishi Kumar Shukla is the current director of SBI. Coming to the second news headline, Khel Ratna. Who will be crowned this time? There are about 40 applicants from more than 20 disciplines for Khel Ratna this year. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. It is the highest sporting honor of the Republic of India. The first recipient of this award was chess grandmaster Vishwanath Anand. And also, to adapt to your knowledge, Abhinav Bindra became the first youngest recipient of this award. Coming to the another award, that is Arjuna Award. The Arjuna Award are given by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. The third news states that NGT tells states to monitor Ganga rejuvenation. Here, NGT stands for National Green Tribunal. It is a specialized body set up under the National Green Tribunal Act 1010 for effective and expeditious disposal of the cases relating to environmental protection and conservation of forest and other natural resources. Justice Lokeshwar Singh Panta became the first chairman of NGT, that is National Green Tribunal. The chairman is appointed by the central government in consultation with Chief Justice of India. Currently, the NGT tribunal are present in 5 places, namely Bhopal, Pune, Delhi, Kolkata and Chennai. Coming to the fourth and the final news today, music legend Pandit Jasraj passes away. Yes, he passed away in US after a cardiac arrest on Monday. The Indian classical music legend Pandit Jasraj have won Padma Shri, the 4th highest civilian award in India in the year 1975. Padma Bhushan, the 3rd highest civilian award in India in the year 1990. Padma Vibhushan, the 2nd highest civilian award in the year 2000. That's all for today. Do hit the like button, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.